Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy, Spiritual Master, logging in, back again with another video. Yo, man, this video is not meant to be long. It's gonna be a quick one. Y'all see the title, man, Chosen Ones. Listen, bro, you need to understand and listen carefully to what I'm about to say to you right now, okay? You are special. You are divine creations, okay? Your love hits differently. Understand that you're not weird. Understand that you're not crazy. You have a love that reaches dimensions way beyond this one. And sometimes people aren't gonna understand it. This is how people think, bro. They're like, what? You love me for me? I can be myself around you? Like, I can be goofy and silly. I can mess up and you still love me? That's crazy. I don't deserve this love. This is too good to be true. I'm out of here. Understand, bro. Your love is different. You are different, bro. You are special. Stop thinking that you're weird. Stop thinking that something's wrong with you. Bro, you came to this world, right? To understand that, yes, you don't fit in. You know why you don't fit in? Because you're meant to create your own reality. You're meant to create your own world. You are a creation. You are a divine replica of the infinite consciousness. You are here to be a direct connect. Bro, you were created in the image of God, bro. So that means the same love that God has, you have. The same creative power that God has, you have. Understand, a lot of people can't handle that kind of love. They've never experienced it before. They're like, bro, there's people who've never experienced it, even from their parents, even from their spouses. They've never felt that kind of love. So understand, bro, nothing's wrong with you. Your love comes from a different dimension. Your love hits different, chosen ones. Understand this. Understand that your love hits different. Your love, a lot of people have never felt it before. Okay? There's things that chosen ones go through simply because they have this kind of love. A lot of chosen ones you end up being alone. You end up being in a relationship and then it ends and then you spend a period of time alone by yourself in the wilderness for 40 days and 40 nights. It's not because you are weird. It's because you spend so much, you love so hard, bro. That's what it is. Okay? Understand, chosen ones, you love so hard. When you go into a relationship, you don't go into it with 1 foot in and 1 foot out. This is why chosen ones ends up getting used and abused in relationships. You don't know when to step away. Because when you dive into something, you dive head first. Chosen ones, we love very, very hard. And a lot of people don't understand this. They think that, oh, why are you like this? Why are you, bro? A lot of chosen ones get faulted because we love so much. That's our biggest weakness. Our biggest weakness is we don't know when to say no. We don't know how to take time for ourselves. So what happens is the universe is like, well, since you're not gonna do it, I'll do it for you. This is the life of the chosen ones, bro. We spend a lot of time to develop our own development, our own growth. We're trying to grow into the beings that God intended us to be. So chosen ones, understand, bro, in the season that we're in right now, bro, there's nothing wrong with you. Stop thinking something's wrong with you. You are a divine being who came to earth to share in that rare love. Your love is rare. You can't just, bro, a lot of people are going to realize they can't just replace you. They're going to be spending their entire lives trying to find that same energy that you gave them. And guess what? They're never going to find it. There's people who are going to, bro, sleepless nights, lack of sleep, staying up all night thinking about, man, this person's love was different. It's only after you're gone. That's when people are going to realize that you were different and that you gave them something that was valuable. Chosen ones, your love hits different. I was working out. I was doing my push-ups in the hot-ass Florida weather. Hot-ass Florida weather, man. And then this message just hit me, bro. It came out of nowhere. So you know me, I have to tell you, bro. So, I got you, birds. Okay. So understand, bro. Chosen ones, we go through life thinking that we're weird and that we're different, bro. We go through life feeling isolated, like lonely, like nobody likes us, that everybody hates us. A lot of chosen ones feel like the whole world is against us. And a lot of times that is the case. But it's a two-way street. On one end, right? Some people may not like your energy. Some people can't handle that kind of energy. But understand, you will be involved and you will meet people who will love your energy, who share in that same frequency. They will become your tribe. They will become the people that support you through thick and thin. They exist out there. They are looking for you just like how you're looking for them. They're probably spending time alone as well. In the meantime, spend time in nature, bro. Spend time with the trees. They love you unconditionally. Trees love you unconditionally. So like I said, man, this video is not meant to be long, bro. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Spiritual Master signing out.